Welcome to another video, and in this video I'm gonna upgrade my table saw with this new mighty gouge from Jessem. It's the Mitre XL2. So I am really curious how this thing comes out of the box. So it's an unboxing video, installing video, and I'm gonna use it a little bit. So if you are interested in the mighty gouge, stick around. So as always, Jessem packs their stuff really well. It comes with a fine installing manual. So it's in French and English. Everything that you need to know is in this manual. So this is one thing. It's also in color, what I like a lot. This one, I think it's the main body. Ooh, nice. And then we have the fence here. Very nice. Back the screws. Those are the T-bolts that will go in the back of your fence. Now the null thumb screws will go here first. Now let's bring it in this T-slot here. Okay. No. Alright, no movement actually. Alright, so I would say no adjustment needed. There is one thing that I want to check, and so if you start further away like so, which is not ideal, but for example like this, and you don't want to have any space here as well. No, so it doesn't move like that. So that's good. So the next step is installing my fence, and it goes in, and this will go in here. Next step is installing this flip stop that will go in here. Bring this in. Wow, it works pretty smooth. Alright, so maybe you noticed it, but here are the thumb screws that you can loosen up to adjust your fence. Here is a block inside the fence with a hole there that will line up with this repeat stop block. What it does, if you adjust your fence, so if you bring your fence in, and now I'm gonna calibrate my fence to my saw blade, and then I can bring it in, bring it out, and then I can still adjust my fence without using the measurements on top. So I can adjust it and then screw it in. So tight this up and then I can use it. But if I want to use this measurement, it needs to be calibrated to my saw blade. Therefore is that block here. Make sure it falls in place, and when it falls in place, tight this up. Now it's calibrated to my saw, which I still need to do, but that's why this is here. So to do it safely, I'm gonna cut further away, which should be fine. 400 millimeters. Now I'm gonna measure this. Okay. Bang on 400 millimeters. So to check if this thing is square, there's no better tool in my shop than this precision triangle from Benchmark UK. It's flat and definitely square. Now I'm gonna bring it in really gentle until it hits the tooth on the side. Give it a go. I'm gonna do one cut to see if it's square, but in my opinion it should be pretty bang on square. So if your fence is not square, that's not a problem. You can adjust that. So you can bring this side that way or this side that way. Here are 2 screws and here are 2 screws. If you loosen these up and then loose that one up or turn it in, what that will do, I don't know if you can see it, maybe I can shine through with my phone. There's a small gap there. If you are turning this screw here in, and those two screws are loose, then you will bring out the fence, so it will push out the fence. If you loosen it, you can pull it back and then tighten this one up. Everything is tightened down now. It should be square. It's calibrated. So now this here will work as well. If you loose this knob, and then you can use all the presets that are in this mighty couch. So 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 0, 2 sides. So now you can easily use the angle indicator here because it's calibrated. I think I covered everything from this part. There is only one thing what I wanted to show you. This is the micro adjuster stop block. So for example, if I set it on 160 millimeters, and when I want to dial it in a little bit in or out, I can turn this knob here, and as you can see, it moves really accurate. I can lock it in. Now you can't move it anymore. I can bring this out or in, flip it away. That's it. Now to do bigger miter cuts, you can loose this one up and then extend it. You can calibrate this strip and this strip as well. You can use that as a stop block, so you can bring it out. And then set the right measurement here, because this here needs to line up perfectly, so you can use the end of your extrusion as an indicator of the measurement that you want. So for example, I standing on the other side, 580 mil, turn it in, and that's it, because this is calibrated. So this is something you need to check as well. You can calibrate that by this screw here, and then once that is calibrated, you can use it without, you can use it with. So a really cool feature to work with bigger boards, especially on this small table saw. So here you can see 2 stop blocks. This will come with the mitre gouge. This I ordered extra. Does the same thing. The only thing this have is a micro adjustment, and the needle here is a little bit different. So you need to calibrate this one on this side. Does the same job. So I like this one because I wanted to have that extra function to get things really accurate. So this was my video. Many thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Let me know in the comments what you are thinking of this mitre gouge. If you have any questions, or did I forget anything in this video, please don't hesitate. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.